Now finally inside, anytime now, second leg, Triple Crown Stakes race here, Santa Ana Park. All set now, ready to race. Second leg, Triple Crown Stakes race. And the race is on. It's a jump start beginning for Haring Benedict from the outside is Big Leb at and Spicy Don Albertini down on the inside Sky Dragon. It's now entry number 8 Big Leb by a length and a half Don Albertini at and Spicy the favorite is racing by the Captain Ball Racing Import. Fifth belongs to Sky Dragon 6 spinning grid 7 is entry number 6 Haring Benedict alongside Star Danori inside is entry number 3 Burj Khalifa. Fourth last entry number 9 Be Humble, and working towards a 3/4 mile distance. It's entry number 4 the favorite is now leading the pack. Hat and Spicy Sky Dragon. Captain Ball Racing on the outside. Third, fourth is Big Leb. Fifth is Don Albertini spinning ridge on the outside. Burj Khalifa. Haring Benedict moving up by the Tarzan. Be Humble. El Libertador. Third last Boss Jaden. And Naga is now running at the tail of the field. Another far turn. Captain Ball is now the leader. Hot and Spicy spinning ridge on the outside. Rushing up Sky Dragon. Also rushing up is 3 Burj Khalifa. As they race the last 500, 4 runners are now fighting it out for the lead. A Hot and Spicy regains the lead. A spinning ridge on the outside. Burj Khalifa at the center with the last 200 meters more to run. Burj Khalifa is spinning ridge on the outside. Is spinning ridge. Burj Khalifa fighting for the lead. Hot and Spicy. Boss Jaden on the putter outside. Is spinning ridge. Burj Khalifa. Boss Jaden. And nearing the finish line, the horse of Jojo Velasquez spinning ridge winning the second leg. Triple Crown Stake race. Close for second Burj Khalifa. Boss Jaden 10.